Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to replace the transmission oil for the Acura 2015 Acura TLX. So the transmission oil, my buddy he going to buy from dealer, that's the part number. So only train and fill very easy. I believe the 3.5 liter. When you go to dealer, you ask them how many liter and they tell you 4 liter, but you put I believe only 3.5 maximum. Okay, let's do together. The fuel, they have the ball Allen key number 8 over here. I'm going to show you later on. So they have the underneath the Allen key number 8 anyway. Just train it and then we fill up the. Okay, let's do together. Okay, we take the cover out. I don't show you guys the cover. They have the cover over here. So I need the Allen key number 8. This the ball right here. So this one the transmission oil. So transmission fluid. So now we train it. You Allen key. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. So wow, dirty. It's very dirty.
Nhớt nhiều quá hả?
Yes. Just try and feel, and not much. I'm going to show you how many liter for you guys exactly. When we take it out, how many liter, and we put exactly like that. I want to make sure the nose inside. No, you don't have the option like Toyota. Over back. Let's go over. Let's go over. Okay, anyone. So after I cast the oil for the oil drain over here, I'm gonna push in this one. I want to see how many liter, okay? And I show you guys exactly how many liter we put on. It's oil dirty. Look. It's really bad. It's an ATF, but it's special ATF. I recommend go to dealer, buy only. Don't buy the aftermarket oil because the Acura and Honda are very sensitive. I don't recommend. See that one? 4 liter, 3.5 liter actually. 3.5 exactly here. I'm gonna show you guys. 3 liter here, 3.5. That's why I know over 3.5 a little bit, not much. Okay, right here. So now I'm gonna show you how to fill over there. Okay, so this car has the trem lock in my hand. I don't know if you guys see over here. Yeah, right over here. It's hard to see that. Here, the trem lock. See beside over there they have a cap, a green cap. I take it out. I'm gonna put back exactly the same cap. You can see that. This only model, this year. If you go different year, maybe different location. Let me go back over here. Yeah. Again, why is zoom too much? Okay, so you can see over there, right here. And key number 8 right here. I take it out. Let me take it out. See, you can see right now the hole right there. Okay, now we filled up over there. Okay, 3.5 liter, over a little bit 3.5 per bottle. Okay. Okay, now we put the burner on. We do together. Okay, put the burner over here. It should go right in the hose. Leave it fresh. Okay, so see right there. Okay, put it together. This one from dealer, so we don't worry too much. Aftermarket we worry, but from dealer I don't worry. I put on and that's it. As long as I don't know I do right. Try to save money, but we're gonna get trouble later. Three. I put 3.5, but over 100 mil, that's all. Don't put too much. Okay, so that's it, done. So it's very easy. So we need the Allen key, tie them up, and that's it. Okay, so 3.5 liter actually. Okay, so really done. So thank you thank you for you watching my video. See you next video. Ciao.